Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we draw capital letter alphabets. First we draw the letter of A. A for apple, A for ant. Kids, the next one is B. Now we draw the letter of B. B for ball, B for bat. Now we draw the letter of C. C for cow, C for cat. The next one is D. Now we draw the letter of D. D for dog, D for doll. Kids, now we draw E. E for egg, E for elephant. And the next one is F. F for fish, F for fan. Now we draw the letter of G. G for goat. And the next one is H. H for hand. Now we draw the letter of I. I for ice. The next one is J. J for jackfruit. Now we draw K. K for kangaroo. And the next one is L. L for lemon. Now we draw M. M for mango. Kids, the next one is N. Now we draw the letter of N. N for nest. The next one is O. Now we draw the letter of O. O for orange. The next one is P. P for penguin. And now we draw the letter of Q. Q for queen. Now we draw R. R for rice. And the next one is S. S for snake. Kids, now we draw the letter of T. T for teacher. The next one is U. U for umbrella. Now we draw V. V for vanilla. The next one is W. W for wolf. Now we draw X. X for X-ray. And the next one is Y. Y for yolk. The last one is Z. Z for zoo, Z for zebra. Kids, today we draw capital letter alphabets A to Z. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.